Assalamu alaikum. I am Luqman 𝐀𝐛𝐨𝐮𝐵 and this is 𝐬𝐤𝐤 Academy. After knowing how to pronounce Al-Kasr and the terms that will be used in this lesson, Al-Kasr, today inshallah we will know how to read all letters with Kasr, letter by letter. So stay tuned.
𝐬𝐤𝐤 Academy.
This is just to remind you that we are explaining using Al-Minhaj book, the official book of 𝐬𝐤𝐤 Academy. So let's now read all letters with Kasra. So as we said and as we explained this guide in the last episode, heavy letter in all cases will have this dark blue, and the letter that just heavy in this case will have this light blue, and this is heavy tongue letter, this dark green border, and light green border is for light tongue letter, and the remaining with light letter this gray or black. So now this is the shape of Al-Kasra. As we said, Al-Kasra is the name of the symbol that's used to refer to Al-Kasr. So Al-Kasra is written below the letter. So this is Al-Kasra. So now let's write the letters and know how to read each letter that has Kasra. So E, Al-Hamza. This is the first letter, which is Al-Hamza, will be pronounced like E. E. We said we will pronounce Al-Kasr by dropping the jaw. Okay, so we will apply this now with each letter. E, E, B, B, T, T, C, C, G, G, H, H, Chi, Chi, D, D, V, V, Re, Re. So here is an important note, which is a Ra in the state of Al-Kasr will be a light letter. A Ra in the state of Al-Kasr will be a light letter. Okay, so we said in the Al-Fath, and when we discussed Al-Huruf Al-Maftuha, we said a Ra that has Fatha is a heavy letter in this case. So a Ra that has Kasra is a light letter. Okay, so Re, Re, Z, 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 C, C, She, She, C, C, D, D, T, T, V, V, I, I, Ri, Ri, Fi, Fi, Qui, Qui, Ki, Ki, Li, Li, Mi, Mi, Ni, Ni, He, He, We, Ye, Ye. Okay, so this is how to pronounce each letter in the state of Al-Kasr. So let's now take our notes. The first note we have that this letter and this letter, the and the, this letter, as we said, is light when we explained maftuh letters, and this one is heavy. So the, and we said what is the difference between heavy and light letter? The back of the tongue is raised when we pronounce heavy letter. So the back of the tongue is raised. Okay, the next we have this letter and this one. This one is light and this one is heavy. So T, 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 light, heavy. T, T, light and heavy. T, T, light and heavy. Okay, so and also the next we have this one and this one. This one is light and this one is heavy. C, 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 C. Just the difference is the back of the tongue is raised when we pronounce the heavy letter. C, 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 light and heavy. C, C, light and heavy. Okay, and also one of the differences between these two letters is heaviness and lightness. Qi, ki, qi, ki, heavy and light. Qi, ki, heavy and light. Qi, ki, heavy and light. Okay, also we have an important note here with the letter kha, khi, khi. The degree of heaviness is less than the degree of heaviness with fatha. In general, the degree of heaviness of maksur letter is less than the degree of heaviness of maftuh letter. So khi, khi, si, di, ti, di, ghi, qi. Okay, so this is all maksur letters and how we pronounce them. So now I will say the last time. Okay, I will pronounce each letter just one time, and I will give you more time after me to be able to pronounce it after me. So let's start. E, B, T, C, G, H, Khi, D, Z, Ri, Z, Si, She, Si, Di, Ti, Zi, I, Ghi, Fi, Qi, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, He, We, Ye. Okay, cool. So now we came, alhamdulillah, to the end of this episode. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. Now we came to the end of this episode. So if you want to follow up the next episodes, consider subscribing. Also, if you want a qualified Quran tutor, whether for yourself or your kids, we are providing online Quran classes. Don't forget to check out our app. See you inshallah in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.
𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐬 Academy. Learn and enjoy.